In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an online poll to your Wix website. This can be a great way to engage with your audience, gather feedback, or even conduct market research. The process is quite straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix App Market. If you're not familiar with this feature, it's a section of Wix where you can find a variety of applications and tools that can enhance your website's functionality. You'll find the App Market easily from your Wix dashboard by selecting the Apps option. This market is a treasure trove of extensions that can help broaden the capabilities of your website without needing to code anything from scratch. Once you're in the Wix App Market, you're going to search for the poll app you want to use. There's quite a selection available, so you'll want to choose one that best fits your needs. Maybe you're looking for something simple with basic polling questions. Or perhaps you need a more robust tool that offers in-depth analytics and reporting. Take your time to browse through the options. Each app usually comes with a description and user reviews that can help you decide. After you've chosen the right app, the next step is to click Add to Site. This action will initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the app. These prompts typically involve granting the necessary permissions and choosing where on your site you'd like the app to appear. The app should seamlessly integrate into your site, but if you do encounter any issues, check the support section as it can often provide solutions or troubleshooting tips. With the app successfully installed, it's time for customization. Customization is key because it allows you to align the poll with your website's design and your overall brand identity. Most poll apps offer a variety of customizable settings. You can adjust the appearance by selecting colors, fonts, and sizes that match your site's aesthetic. Additionally, you can configure the settings to specify how users will interact with your poll. For instance, you may want single-choice voting, or you might prefer allowing multiple answers to give respondents more flexibility. Remember, while setting up the poll, it's a good practice to consider what you intend to achieve with it. Are you gathering feedback on a particular product or service? Or are you looking to drive engagement with a fun and interactive question? This goal will help direct how you frame your questions and what settings you employ. By following these steps, you should have a fully functional poll on your Wix site, ready to engage your visitors. Engaging with your audience can provide valuable insights and can enhance the interactive experience for your users. So go ahead and make your website even more dynamic today. Thanks for watching.